chair. Now lay back down. This is how I used to be able to crack my dad's back.
Gosh.